Konnichiwa, minasan, welcome back to Imagenish Videos, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of Japanese culture. Today, we have a treat for you. We're unraveling the mysteries behind a beloved Japanese dish, Sekihan. Get ready for some surprising and unknown facts about this traditional delicacy. What is Sekihan? First things first, what exactly is Sekihan? Well, it's not just any ordinary rice dish. It's a traditional Japanese dish made with glutinous rice and adzuki beans. The distinctive red color comes from these beans, giving the dish its unique appearance. The symbolism. Did you know that Sekihan is not just a tasty dish, but it also carries deep cultural significance? Traditionally, Sekihan is considered a celebratory dish, often prepared for special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and festivals. The red color symbolizes happiness, good luck, and prosperity in Japanese culture. Forbidden rice. Now, here's a little secret many might not know. In ancient Japan, Sekihan was sometimes referred to as forbidden rice. Legend has it that the combination of red beans and rice was believed to have mystical powers, protecting against evil spirits and bringing good fortune. It was considered so powerful that commoners were prohibited from eating it regularly. Regional variations. Sekihan isn't a one-size-fits-all dish. Depending on the region of Japan, you might find variations in the preparation and ingredients. Some areas add chestnuts or other beans to enhance the flavor, creating unique regional twists to this beloved dish. Modern twists. In the modern era, creative chefs and home cooks are putting their spin on Sekihan. From Sekihan sushi to Sekihan-filled pastries, there's no limit to the culinary imagination when it comes to this traditional dish. Sekihan and love. Here's a heartwarming fact. Sekihan is often associated with love and relationships in Japan. It's not uncommon for someone to prepare Sekihan for a loved one as a gesture of affection. The act of making and sharing Sekihan is seen as a symbol of commitment and love. The Emperor's dish. Did you know that Sekihan has royal roots? Legend has it that Sekihan was once a dish reserved exclusively for the emperor and his court. It was considered so prestigious that commoners were forbidden from consuming it. Over time, this exclusivity faded away, allowing everyone to savor the delights of Sekihan. Hidden ingredients. Now, here's a secret ingredient that might surprise you: sake. In some traditional recipes, a small amount of sake is added to the Sekihan mixture. It's said to enhance the flavor and give the dish an extra layer of richness. So, the next time you enjoy Sekihan, you might just be savoring a hint of sake-infused goodness. Sekihan superstitions. Sekihan isn't just a dish, it's surrounded by interesting superstitions. Some believe that the number of red beans in Sekihan predicts the number of future children a couple will have. Others say that if you find an odd number of beans in your serving, it brings good luck. Time to count those beans and see what fate has in store for you. The perfect timing. Sekihan isn't just about throwing ingredients together. It's an art that involves perfect timing. The beans need to be added at the right moment during the rice cooking process to achieve that vibrant red color. Too early or too late, and you might end up with a different dish altogether. Timing is everything in the world of Sekihan. Sekihan legends. Brace yourself for a fascinating legend. It's said that Sekihan originated from a tale about a princess who fell in love with a commoner. The forbidden nature of their love inspired the creation of Sekihan, a dish that symbolizes the union of different worlds and the celebration of love overcoming obstacles. Now that's a romantic twist to Sekihan's history. Sekihan ceremonies. Did you know that there are special ceremonies dedicated solely to the preparation of Sekihan? These ceremonies, known as Sekihan-ko, involve intricate rituals and prayers for happiness and prosperity. Families come together to celebrate, cook Sekihan, and share the joy of creating a dish that goes beyond mere sustenance. Sekihan in literature and art. Sekihan isn't just confined to plates. It has also found its way into literature and art. Poems and paintings throughout Japanese history have depicted the beauty and symbolism of Sekihan, showcasing its cultural significance beyond the realm of food. It's a testament to how deeply ingrained this dish is in Japan's artistic heritage. Sekihan festivals. Imagine a festival dedicated solely to Sekihan. In certain regions of Japan, there are annual Sekihan festivals where communities come together to celebrate this cherished dish. From lively parades to Sekihan cooking contests, these festivals are a feast for the senses, showcasing the cultural significance of Sekihan. In traditional Japanese medicine, the combination of glutinous rice and adzuki beans was believed to have health benefits, promoting good digestion and providing a nutrient-rich meal. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more cultural explorations, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any hidden facts you might know about Sekihan. Arigato gozaimasu for joining us today, and until next time, sayonara.